Every man out there knows the importance of proper beard maintenance. Cleaning up the various lines in your beard that help define its shape becomes an almost ritualistic thing in the modern day and age. So today we here at Volt Grooming want to talk about the 3 beard lines that help you define the beard's shape and clean up its appearance, as well as what each of these lines does, because believe it or not, they don't all do the same thing. Some of them are better at some things than others. So put simply, there are 3 beard lines that we're going to talk about today: the cheek line, the lip line, and the neckline. And when trimming or shaping your beard, following the rules around these lines are going to help you transform a scraggly beard into any beard style you wish. So let's get into it. First, we're going to talk about your cheek line. Now, the cheek line of your beard is exactly what it sounds like. It's the line that separates the beginning of your beard here on your cheek from the rest of your skin. And in most cases, as long as the cheek line isn't shaved below the jawbone here, your cheek line can actually be the defining factor in a lot of shapes and different styles of beards. And that is actually the purpose of the cheek line, is to help define the style of the beard. For example, a low cheek line, something down here, is commonly called a chin strap beard. No cheek line just gives you a goatee. Having a cheek line up here gives you that full bearded look, etc. So when you're out there choosing a beard style that you think is right for you, take a look at the cheek line of that beard style and you'll know exactly what kind of properties to emulate in your own beard. For those of you out there who want that traditional bearded look, how do you get that with a cheek line? How can you measure exactly where your cheek line should be, just to kind of give you that full bearded look that everyone tends to go for nowadays? Well, there's a really simple way to do that. Just take a straight edge like a ruler or a pencil or something like that, and here's what you're going to want to do. For this example, I'm just going to use the handle section of the Volt utility comb because that's just what I have available to me. But what you want to do is take that straight edge and put one side at the base where the top of your ear meets your head. At that crease, you're going to take the other straight edge and line it up towards the corner of your lip. Now, if you follow that path all the way down, you'll actually see that it defines the perfect cheek line for you. Now let's talk about the beard's neckline. Now, the neckline is actually my favorite of all of them because it makes a really quick and clear difference in terms of the tidiness and the cleanliness of your beard. The neckline is the area of your beard underneath your jawbone and on the sides here that just defines the area between where your beard starts and where the clean shaven skin on the rest of your neck starts. This line goes from one side of your jawbone right here, makes a 90-degree turn, and goes under your neck to the other side. And like I mentioned before, your neckline makes the biggest difference in making your beard look tidy and neat. Most times if you're in a rush and you need to get out of the house and you don't have time to really go on a full beard trimming spree or anything like that, all you really have to do is shave the hair on your neck up to that neckline, and you can pretty much get away with having a really clean bearded look if that's the only thing you do. Now, when you're trimming your neckline, it's really important to not fall in the trap that many men make when they start trimming their neckline, and that is trimming the hair all the way around equidistant from the jawbone. You don't want to do that. Doing that might actually cause you to have like a double chin look, simply because the skin at the natural fold of your neck is going to be visible under that hair. To find the right neckline for you, you're going to take your straight edge once again. You're going to want to stand straight, just look naturally like you normally would. Take that straight edge and just move it under your chin until you can't go back any further. And then lift your chin up and you'll see exactly where your neckline should be. And then once you shave that line straight, all you have to do is make a 90-degree shave back from your jawbone as well. Now lastly, let's talk about your beard's lip line. The lip line is simply all the hair that hangs off from your top lip right there. Now, the lip line really doesn't do anything drastically in terms of making your beard look cleaner or less clean. The lip line is really only there to give you options. For example, if you let the hair on your lip line grow long enough, you can use something like Volt Sculpt Mustache Wax to give yourself like a classic handlebar shape, or you can just trim the hair shorter to match a shorter beard or anything like that. Put simply, the lip line is all about giving your beard styling options from day to day. So when you're thinking about trimming your lip line, consider what style of beard you really want. Your mustache and chin area can be as large as you want, even if you have shorter hair on the rest of your beard, because it gives you that kind of goatee look. But keep in mind that the lip line is usually not trimmed very short while the rest of your beard looks very long. That just kind of gives it a kind of weird off looking appearance. So you want to at least keep your lip line in proportion with the rest of your beard or longer. So those were the 3 lines that you should really pay attention to when it comes to styling, shaping, and cleaning up your beard in general. So thank you guys for watching that quick little video. Hopefully you got some tips out of it. If you guys liked it, please hit like and subscribe. We've got tons of videos coming out for you guys, as well as some giveaway announcements with other cool brands, which we'll be getting to very soon. Now, if you guys haven't already, Volt has a free rewards program called the Amp It Up Rewards Program, where you can actually go and accrue amps for different Volt products anytime you purchase one. And over time, those amps will accrue and you can spend them on other free products that will be added to your orders. And things like Volt's beard oil or beard wax are some of those cool prizes. So you're gonna wanna sign up. We've got links in the description to that. It's completely free and you can start accruing amps anytime you shop with Volt right away. So once again, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.